Hi creatives, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have the Sunset Spritz mystery box by Cricut. This mystery box goes on sale for $49.99 right now if you're seeing this box brand new, video brand new. $49.99 for the US, $69.99 for Canada, and the retail value for US is $132.93 and for Canada is $179.93. There is a cutie inside, so quickly go get this mystery box. Let's see, is it a new cutie? Yes, I believe it's a new cutie inside. So go get this mystery box and then come back and watch the rest of the video. I'll wait. Okay, are you back? Alright, let's go. So, opening up this Sunset Spritz mystery box. Very bright, gorgeous colors. First up, we have the permanent markers from, they're really fat. I think they are for the maker. Not Cricut Joy, it says. Not Cricut Joy. And then we have very pretty, vibrant, infusible ink in patterns scattered dots. Blue, black, red, and yellow. So, very nice. Then we have Holographic Sparkle Iron-On. 3 12x12. Oh, 3 different 12x12. Okay, so we've got Raspberry Fizz. And then we've got... Oh, it's a Raspberry Fizz sampler. Okay. So, the Raspberry Fizz sampler. And that has... It doesn't say what it has, so let's find out. We've got yellow, and then we've got pink. Oh, I like the pink. And we've got silver. Very nice. 3 12x12 sheets of holographic sparkle iron-on. And then we have, ooh, this is the permanent, it's a flesh tone. I don't know exactly what it's called. Skin tone, sorry, skin tone, permanent skin tone color. So 10 sheets of 12x12 in all of these colors. So that definitely comes in handy when crafting. And then we have the SportFlex Iron-On 1 sheet, 11.8 by 24 inches. This is a strong bond iron-on. Bright orange, and then we have a LightGrip Mat, and a cutie. So this is the French Vanilla cutie. Let's see, that means she's kind of like an off-white maybe? I do have a white one, so let's see if this one's off-white. There we go. Ooh, she's almost, oh yeah, kind of a cream color. Very cute. I just got this box and it just releases today, so I'm not going to be able to do a tutorial for you, but watch out for future videos where I create with some of this stuff. And thanks for watching. Quickly go get your box if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.